And for today's vlog, we're going to cook seafood carbonara with garlic bread. Here are the ingredients that we need. Pasta, garlic and onion, fried garlic for toppings, seafoods like shrimp, oyster, and squid, celery, all-purpose cream, carbonara sauce, cheese, butter, mushrooms, vegetable oil, salt and pepper. So let's start! First, cook the pasta. Just follow the instruction at the back of its packaging. Then after that, boil all the seafoods. Then balatan po natin yung hipon at tanggalin ang kalahati ng shell ng oyster. And now we will cook the sauce. First, preheat the pan. Put some oil on the pan and add some butter. It melts. Now, put the garlic first. Wait until it turns to golden brown. When it is already golden brown, add the onion. When you saute them properly, add the seafoods. Then mix it properly. I add again more butter para mas maging malasa ang ating seafood carbonara. Now, we will add the mushrooms. Add now the carbonara sauce. Mix it well so that the carbonara sauce will blend with the seafoods. After that, we can now add the salt and pepper to taste. Next, we will add now the all-purpose cream. Then, add the celery. And titikman natin kung tama na ba yung lasa. And lastly, grate some cheese. And just wait hanggang matunaw lang yung ating cheese na nilagay. And then, it's done. It's now ready for plating. And now, here's the garlic bread recipe. Here are the ingredients that we need: bread, butter, garlic, and dried basil leaves. First, kuha lang po tayo ng tinapay and then spreadan natin ng butter, both side of the bread. Then, after that, kukuha tayo ng hilaw na garlic. Ipipit-pitin natin at ipapahid po natin sa bread. Both side din. Then, we will put it on a heated pan. And then, mag-a-add lang po tayo ng fried garlic sa ibabaw nito. Then add the dried basil leaves also. We need to flip it once in a while para both sides po ay maluto. And then, hintayin lang natin hanggang mag-golden brown and it's ready to serve. It's done! We now have seafood carbonara with garlic bread.